My name is John William Bailly, and you can hear there's a jump from English to French there. That's because my mother is from Ohio, of Irish, English, and German descent, and my father's from the French Alps. As a result, I've never felt firmly rooted in one particular place. This embedded in me a deep love of study and of travel, and the two intermix as I search for the authentic nature of a city, of a people, of a culture as I travel throughout the world. I have a professional obsession with finding facts, with understanding artwork. But my passion lies in sharing that with other people and seeing their understanding of it develop. In my teaching, I was the faculty director of study abroad to Italy, Spain, and France for 15 years. And I took students for months on end through multiple cities of Western Europe, where we not just stayed there, but we lived there. We ate in the markets, we walked the streets. When we looked at artwork, we were standing in front of the artwork. Art is a window into the soul of a culture. We are able to see what people believed, what they lived, what they felt throughout centuries. And once you start combining art and history into a common understanding, the world comes alive to you in a much more relatable manner. My entire life has been defined by a desire to discover new places. And through my lectures, what I intend to do is to make history, cultures, and cities come alive in the most authentic and personable way to my audience. And that gives me an incredible pleasure.